Welcome everyone. So today I will be explaining about the Vaibhava Lakshmi Varada Puja and how to do it and what are all the benefits of it. So first I will tell about the benefits of Shri Vaibhava Lakshmi Varada Puja. So whatever you want to achieve in life, you can achieve that through this puja. Okay, it could be anything. Okay, if you're longing for a baby or financial status or studies or job, or whatever it is, name one. So anything can be achieved through this Vaibhava Lakshmi Varada Puja. Okay, now we'll see how to do this puja. Okay, so for doing this puja, you get a book in Giri Trading, or I'll write the details of the book in the description. Okay, and it is available in all the languages. So, whatever state or country you belong, you can pick that and you can do that puja. Okay, so how to do that puja? Okay, it doesn't have too many protocols like other pujas. Okay, this puja needs to be performed on Friday, either morning or evening. That is one thing. And the secondary thing is you need to keep a kalash. Okay, as shown in the picture, you have to keep a kalash. Either it can be made of copper or it can be made of silver. Any kalash. So take that kalash, pour little water into it, and you have to add a little bit of elachi saffron stir into it, and then you can close it. Okay, you need not keep a coconut on top of it. You can close that, and on top of it you can keep a cup and you can put some gold coins if you have, or silver coins, or the normal coins, whatever you are having. Okay, and then you can keep pictures or photo frames of Ashtalakshmi or Vaibhava Lakshmi, and there is a, when you buy the book you get a yantra also in that, so you can keep that yantra also into the puja, and you can very well decorate it. Okay, apart from that, as usual for other pujas, whatever prasadas you are making, or you can just only offer fruits or nuts, anything is fine based on your comfort. Okay, overall this puja will take only 20 minutes to do. Okay, so then you can follow the instructions given in the book. Okay, first thing will be a Ganapati puja, and then followed by it you have to do Lakshmi Ashtotra, and then you have to do the Vaibhava Lakshmi Ashtotra. Okay, and then each and every instruction is given in the book. I wish every one of you to do this puja and you get the blessings from Lord Lakshmi. Thank you.